Ooh, look at these dumplings. Look at them. If you know anything about rundown, there be a cook rundown, you know. This is home. Look at that beauty. Look at it. Colors popping. Sauce is there. Glossiness is there. And look at the color. Look at the color. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I will sharing with you just another small video. This one I'm showing you how you can make some real nice flavorful green beans for your holiday table. Most people just, it seems to me as if it's mostly the holiday times they use green beans, but I am a lover of green beans, so whenever I find nice fresh young green beans, I always go for them, you know. But this is like a lot of people just use it this time of the year. When I think about green beans, the first thing I think about is selection, then the preparation. Look at the beans that I've selected here. All slender, nice and pretty. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be washing these and return. So, prepping. So, I always, this is the part here. And I just nip off right here. This is the point here, just for have it for presentation. People say I don't nip them, I don't do this. But remember, you know, we always say to each of us our very own little point and a little point right there. So these are what mine look like when I prep them. So if they're extra tall, I'll probably go ahead and cut them in like diagonal pieces. But these are like not so tall. So when you think about selection, you see this? You see how nice this is? Look at it. You see that? This is the right quality green beans, string bean. In Jamaica we say string beans. When you have green beans and you break them and you see that you're seeing some peas in there, that's not gonna be nice. That is just past the stage of green beans. So I showed you how I prep. Little part here and little part there. This is totally up to where you want to. This is how I do mine. Sometimes if I'm trying to make like a mixed vegetable, you saw me do it in other videos. So prepping, nipping off here, nipping off there, and I'm going to do all of these and return. Cooking time. So we have them all. I showed you, told you wash them, and I just nip them. So we're going to give them a little thought. And mind you, there are so many ways of cooking green beans. So right in here I have some yellow bell peppers that I did chop off, and I have half of a medium onion, and I am melting about a tablespoon and a half of margarine right here. Okay, so I do have a little fresh thyme inside here, so I'm gonna put this in, and I have it to a little above medium, almost going on the high. So I'm going to be sauteing off these, and this is just to get a little flavors in to that, you know, that green beans taste that everybody always say them no want. Yeah, I'm going to do it like that. Okay, so I'm going to be doing it like this. I have garlic too, but I'll not put garlic at this point, you know. So you want to get it going. You can use oil, you can use what you want. I'm using butter. Butter makes it more flavorful. So I'm gonna be doing it, and then when all this is like, you know, sauteed, not really sauteed, but flavor the oil properly, I'm gonna remove the thyme and I'm gonna come back, add my green beans. So this is such a nice little sauteing of butter. You see that little melanese? Vamp your heat up now and put your string beans in. You don't want to cook these for more than about 4 to 5 minutes in a family. Okay, so you want to eat directly up. Yeah, I am going to definitely add my salt right now. So you want to add your salt when you choose to. You also could add your, and I'm not going to add a lot because I use the butter, and you know, butter, the most time, the margarine, most time it's salty. So you're going to use this thing now. You know, the string beans or the green beans, what we in Jamaica we say string beans. So whatever I say, it is going to mop up all of that. So use it to mop it up. You see it's getting glossy and it's mopping up all that margarine or butter, whatever you choose to use. Okay, so we're gonna have it right there, and I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to bring my flame down. You want to get this popping green color, so I'm going to turn my flame down back down to medium, and I'm going to let it get a little steaming, and probably about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll come back. Look at it, fam. So it's that time when I like to add my freshly grated garlic. You could use garlic powder. If you're using the garlic in there from the beginning, you got to know how to put it, because you know garlic have a tendency to burn easy. If you like to, you could also add some ginger, but I'm going to be adding a little sauce that is like as in some ginger, so I won't bother to put the ginger in there. You see that? You see that, telling you that about that bright popping green color? Yeah, this is the color that is coming out at this point. Yeah, it doesn't have long to go. Let's get our flame down. This is so beautiful. If you should smell this right now, you just want to have green beans. I really love them. You can let me know in the comments below. Do you like green beans? Do you try to let your family have green beans? They are very nutritious. Don't get them too soggy, and don't let them lose this nice pretty color. I'm going to cover and return. Wow, look at these. That butter, that little, you know, bell pepper and onions at the bottom, still doing their thing. Now this is what I'm going to be adding from the Sauce Boss's range of sauce. It is sweet and spicy sauce. I'm going to be adding probably about a tablespoon. I won't be measuring. Look at that yumminess going down in there. Yup. I'm going to be adding that. Actually, no, I'll turn it off. Let's mix up the Sauce Boss's special sauce. Sweetened. And you could add your sauce of choice. Use where you want. Use the duppy. Then one green bean. Okay. Look at that. So beautiful. So nice. Look at that. What more could you ask for? We're going to give it to a little, maybe a minute. Continue mixing it up. This is the color that you want. This is the color. You know, one all ugly color green bean. This is the color that you want to have. I'm going to catch you in the next. Just for presentation, a little sesame seed right there. Just to gig it up. Just to make it, you know, just to make it have this look. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. You see this? Listen to the crunch. That's how I like my green beans. Tell me how you like yours. Green beans done for the holiday. Thanks for watching.